Okay, I tried doing this video on a live stream. I tried, being on live, to explain most of this, and I don't know what was wrong with my system, my phone. So I just want to quickly do a video on it and then share with us four of this token that I believe will react bullishly to the news tomorrow. Okay, so we all know that in few hours from now the Federal Reserve will be cutting rates. Okay, hopefully they will, because it's still in the news. Okay, we don't know what is in their mind yet, but we believe by tomorrow they should cut the rate. And based on market analysis, we know that this will actually affect the financial market, be it stock, be it crypto, or the forex market. This will actually affect the market. So let us see how it will go. So in this video I just want to quickly share with us four coins that I believe will react bullishly to the news. So if you have money and want to invest, do well to do so. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This is based on my personal research and my knowledge. So always do your research and invest wisely. Before that, welcome back to my channel. It is Ella. If this is your first time of joining me, thank you so much for joining me. Please do well to subscribe and share with your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always joining me. You are one of the reasons why I'm always here. And always keep your questions coming in. I'm so happy seeing that people are asking questions and you're getting clarity and knowledge based on what is happening in the crypto market. Okay, so always keep your questions coming in. I am available 247 to always answer them. So without so much talk, let me quickly just share with you these four tokens. Time has already gone. So if you have your capital, invest. Like I will always say, make sure you identify the kind of investment you're going into, if it is a long-term investment or a short-term investment. Also remember that in crypto your patience pays. Okay, so your patience pays a lot. So the first coin that I believe will react positively to the news tomorrow is Chainlink. All right, so I'm going to be leaving the name on the screen so that you can get it. So Chainlink is one of the coins that I believe will react bullishly tomorrow based on everything they are doing. I'm just looking at them right here on CoinGecko, and I just want to read a few of the things they are into and tell you why I'm bullish on them. Okay, so Chainlink currently the current price of Chainlink is $23. Okay, yes, $23.81 as of the time I'm recording this video. Okay, so if you're watching this video, the price might have changed, but as of the time I'm recording this video, it is $23.8. The all-time high of Chainlink was $52, and the all-time low was $23.05. So Chainlink is actually a coin, a project I believe will do well and will react bullishly to the news because they have a lot of things going on in their ecosystem. The total supply of Chainlink is 1 billion with a circulating supply of 671 billion. Okay, and one of the reasons why I believe this will react bullishly to the crypto news tomorrow, to the rate cut news tomorrow, is because Chainlink have more like an oracle that brings together the traditional banking system and the decentralized finance system. So this is one of the things that the USA is trying to achieve with their involvement into cryptocurrency. So Chainlink is one of those tokens that will bring about these two big sectors coming together to merge and serve people better. So Chainlink is on my radar. You can go on, do more research on them and invest your money and invest wisely. Okay, so Chainlink is one of the tokens that I have that will react bullishly tomorrow. Okay, so the second token that I have that will react, so the circulating supply, okay, so the market cap of Chainlink is actually $16 billion. Okay, it's at $16 billion right now, and the trading volume of Chainlink, daily trading volume of Chainlink, is $714 million. So you can see it's a very big project. It's a project that institutions are already coming in and trooping in day after day. So, and this is one of the things we are looking out for. We are looking for institutional investors. We are looking for big institution coming into the crypto ecosystem. Okay, so Chainlink is one of those projects that will draw in institutional investors into the ecosystem, and money will flow all around. So make sure you do your research and know more about them. Okay, so the second crypto that I have on my list that I believe will react bullishly to the news coming in few hours is XRP. Okay, XRP have been on my lips in almost all my video. Like, I can't stop emphasizing on XRP. XRP is currently ranking number 3 in the whole crypto ecosystem. Okay, so it has a circulating supply of 59 billion XRP with a total supply of 99 billion. All right, so XRP currently is at $2.97. Okay, it's at $2.97. That's the price for now. And then XRP is one of those tokens that will also bring about, bring together traditional banking system and the decentralized finance system. Okay, and I see XRP as the token that will actually make central bank digital currency more realistic. A lot of countries have been on making central bank digital currency, and I see XRP as that token that bring this into play, and it will bring cross-border payments. Okay, XRP is a very big one that if you have your money right now, you should at least have it in your bank. So XRP is one of these tokens that I believe will react positively tomorrow. Okay, the US government is big on XRP, and the world government are actually stacking up XRP. Big organizations are actually stacking up XRP right now. So if I were you, if I have money, you can buy. Okay, you can buy. So make sure that XRP is in your bag. So also the okay, let me give you more information on XRP. The all-time low of XRP was $0.002 and the all-time high was $3.84. So XRP is this token that actually do well in the long term, okay, and it will also react positively to the news tomorrow. The current market cap of XRP is $181 billion with a trading volume of $5 billion daily. So XRP is a very big one, like it's a very big project. I see it doing so well in the long run. Like I usually say, Bitcoin was the experiment, XRP is the main product. So you don't want to miss what happened with Bitcoin. Don't miss it twice, don't miss it on XRP. So make sure you have a lot of it, like, make sure you are bagging it every day, okay? Even if you don't bag it right now, plan to buy XRP as time goes by. It has a lot of utility and it has a lot of cross-border utility. The community around XRP is growing rapidly and is growing daily. So make sure you have XRP in your bag. I see it as a token that will do massively well. So that is my number one token that I believe would react to the news tomorrow, because the US government is actually stacking up XRP. World government is actually stacking up XRP, and they have further plans for XRP. So make sure that XRP is in your bag and is in your portfolio, okay? Because definitely XRP will react to the news. If there's a positive news tomorrow from the Fed, okay, so have it in your bag and do not lose it for anything. So the third token on my list that I believe will react bullish to the incoming news tomorrow is Cardano, okay, ADA. So Cardano is ranking 10 in the crypto ecosystem, and Cardano have been here for a very long time, okay? I remember when Cardano launched newly, when it was around it was still very cheap, okay? Then I bought and I made few gain, and then I sold up, not knowing that Cardano is actually a project that will do wonders. So if you still have money, put Cardano in your bag, okay? Cardano is one of my long-term projects. It's one of the long-term coins that I'm going to be holding, because they've actually been here for a long time and they are still doing okay. So currently, Cardano have a circulating supply of 35 billion with a total supply of 44 billion. I like it when crypto coins have limited supply, okay? And Cardano doesn't have a lot of supply based on the crypto ecosystem and how rapidly it is growing, how rapidly adoption is coming into the crypto ecosystem. I see this token with limited supply, like Cardano, Bitcoin, XRP, as token that will actually do well in the long run, okay? I won't be surprised in a few years to come we are seeing XRP, Cardano in $5,000, in thousands of dollars, okay? So Cardano is one of those tokens that will do well, and currently the market cap of Cardano is 31 billion market cap with a trading volume of 1 billion, 24 hours trading volume. You can see that they have a lot of numbers. They have a lot of good numbers, okay? Its all-time high was $3.99 with an all-time low of 0.01, okay? So Cardano have been here for the longest, and I can tell you it's a project that you want to look into, okay? So let me just tell us few things that that is happening with the project, what they are into, and and the future that it holds, okay? So Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change, okay? So Cardano is one big project that bring about a lot of changes and innovation into the crypto ecosystem, and they've been doing this for years. So you might want to look at this, and it's done a lot of numbers. So Cardano is one of those coins that will also merge the traditional banking sector and the decentralized sector together. So this is one of the things that I'm looking out for. Sorry, the rain is falling. This rate is falling where I am right now. So this is one of the things that I'm looking out for. When we talk about rate cut and what is going on in the crypto ecosystem with the government, you will see that there's a lot of plan to merge these two sectors together, the traditional banking and the crypto sector together. So if you see, look out for any project that is doing this, just know that this project will actually do well and it will react bullishly to the news that is coming in anytime from now, okay? So Cardano is on my list. I believe in Cardano, and right now it is still at an affordable price for those that don't have so much liquidity. I don't always believe you can buy all your token at a go, okay? I believe that if you can, DCA, dollar cost averaging, if you have right now, if you have $2, you can buy now. If you have $5 later, you can buy. Always add to your bag, okay? Make sure you DCA instead of just not having the token at all. So know how you can keep bagging this token as the time goes by. You mustn't buy everything all together, okay? And that is it for ADA. So make sure you look into ADA, do your research, and invest wisely. The last token, which is the fourth token on my list, is Sui. All right, so Sui is one of these tokens that I hold so much in high esteem. They're actually doing a lot in the ecosystem of Sui, a project that came out a few years ago, and they're actually doing so much, okay? They're actually doing well. Like you can see that the ecosystem, the project is actually putting in all the work to make sure that the ecosystem grows, okay? So Sui is one of those tokens, one of those projects that I like how they operate and how they are going about in the crypto ecosystem, bringing about adoption, bringing about NFTs, bringing about development, bringing about education, allowing their devs to be more involved in things that are going on in the ecosystem. So Sui is actually on a top radar right now, and it is actually beating a lot of other projects in the market. It is moving with speed, climbing the radar, making sure that it is representing what they are here to create, and it is actually doing well. So currently SUI is at $3.5. I can remember last year SUI was less than $2. It was less than $1, and right now it is at $3.5. So SUI is one of those tokens that is actually doing very well for itself. So currently it's at $3.5 and it is ranking 18th in the whole of the crypto market ecosystem. Also, it has a circulating supply of 3 billion SUI, okay, with a total supply of 10 billion. You see, like I said before, all these tokens are they have limited supply. And when you look out for coins like this, you see that they are quite different from meme coins. If you know more about meme coins, you know that meme coins comes in trillions of supply, they comes in billions of supply. But these projects are projects that are limited in supply, and they are not meme coins. They're actually utility tokens that are here to solve real world problems. So SUI is actually on my list, and I believe it's going to react positively to the news tomorrow. Also, with the way SUI is going, I can tell you it is going to do a lot now and in the long term. Okay, so the total supply of SUI is 10 billion, just like I said. The market cap is 12.7 billion. The 24 hours trading volume of $955 million. Okay, so the all-time high of SUI was $5, okay, $5.3, and the all-time low was $0.3. So SUI is actually doing well. It's actually doing well. The project is actually doing well. Let me just read a few things that that the SUI ecosystem is working on. A few of their utility and what they are working on. So SUI is a groundbreaking layer 1 blockchain platform designed to support the needs of global adoption by offering a secure, powerful, and scalable development platform. At its core, SUI leverages a novel objective-centric data model and the secure movement programming language to address inefficiencies prevalent in existing blockchain architecture. So SUI is actually here to solve a lot of problems, and I see it as a project that will do a lot in the long term. Okay, so remember that I am just here to give you based on my own knowledge and my own research. So make sure you do your research before you invest. And as time goes by, we are going to be seeing a lot of things that will unfold in the crypto ecosystem. Hopefully, the cut rate tomorrow. Donald Trump have been on the neck of Powell to cut rate. The crypto ecosystem will be bullish. We believe that token will react bullishly, and there will not be any manipulations, because that is another thing we are facing in the crypto ecosystem: manipulations. Okay, so make sure before you do anything in the crypto ecosystem, you do your research. Also, always do your research and invest wisely. And that will be all from me. Okay, so just to recap the token I mentioned earlier, remember I mentioned Chainlink, I mentioned XRP, I mentioned Cardano, and I mentioned SUI. So before you invest, make sure you do your research, and that will be it from me. Hopefully the cut rate tomorrow and the bull run begins. See you in success.